So today, I want to talk to you about that alternate take, that second take that can really make the difference.
Every moment is a teachable moment.
So a lot of times when we're auditioning, we'll be asked to do more than one take. And we want to make sure that when we do more than one take, that we give a second take that is completely different than the first. And sometimes you'll be asked to do an ABC take when you're being live directed. And so what does that mean? Well, that means 3 completely different takes. Now, most of us, just going on gut instinct, will do something like, this is take 1. And then the second read will be, this is take 2. And the third will be, and this is take 3. So what we want to do is we want to avoid having it sound predictable or like everybody else's ABC take, or even that alternate take. You want to make sure that you're not sounding the same. A couple of tricks on how to get around this or how to do this is to not think about sound so much or pitch so much as thinking about how about entering a different scene, 3 different scenes or 2 different scenes that you're going to react to differently. So then it doesn't become a matter of, oh, this is what it sounds like. It then becomes a matter of, oh, these are 3 different scenes that I'm reacting to. And when you react to different scenes, you start to have different tones or different emotions and different sounds. And that's what's going to keep you believable, authentic, and to the casting director's ears, a good actor, because that means you can put yourself in another scene and react completely differently and give them a take that maybe they aren't hearing from 300 other people. That can really perk their ears up and make them hire you instead of the other 200 people that they keep hearing the same things from. When you go into doing an additional take, make sure you think about the scene, react to a different scene, give it a different emotion, rather than listening to the sound of it and try to make it sound different. Thanks so much, guys, for watching. See you next week.